Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangbak Jela Conrad Kongkal Sangma Haka Khat Sautrik Upanai Rampang Arajar Arpuar Ulai Thu Bau Menteri Ketenat Kampok Yeng Jongka Sarkar India Amit Shah Ula Habban Pynpep no ya ke Jingïalang ya keren Pynbeit put Hapneng ke Jela Meghalaya bar ke Jela Assam Nagadao ke Bunkam Shah Palat Haga jingi keren bat gilat patai kubor Conrad Sangma ula ong baka Jingïalang ka bau Amit Shah ula Pynbeit banyadon langru Menteri Rangbak ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma ka daiban long hakatayo baladep nrei lahaban Pynpep na ka Bunkam Shah Palat jong Amit Shah.
So, as you are aware, in the border issue, the two states have already submitted a joint report and a joint statement to the MHA. And the MHA has now asked the Survey of India and other departments to give a report to them. I am presuming that the MHA is waiting for those reports to come in, and I'm sure that in very short time, very few days, I'm sure that MHA will call us. In fact, Home Minister had called us last week, but due to his busy schedule, we had to postpone the meeting. So I expect that the meeting will take place very soon.